Okay, so I'm finally making a video about Quiz 2. Sorry for taking so long, but I just really wanted to make a video so I can point to the picture and you can see what I'm pointing at. So we have this graph, and the first thing I want is the limit as x goes to 2 from the left. So here's 2 on the x-axis. I'm going to go a little bit to the left of 2. I'm going to go up to where the graph is, and then I'm going to start slowly moving back towards 2. So I'm going to be coming in, I'm going to be moving to the right, approaching 2 from the left. And I'm going to trace out the graph. So I'm here, and I find myself pointing at this point, which is a y-coordinate of 2. That's how you do that. The limit as x goes to 2 from the right. Okay, here's x equals 2 on the x-axis. I'm going to move a little bit to the right, and maybe I'll move a little bit farther to the right, and then go up to where the graph is, and now I'll move slowly back towards x equals 2. So I'm moving to the left, I'm approaching 2 from the right, and I find myself pointing here at a y-coordinate of 0. So that's how you do that. Now I want the limit as x as it just goes to 2, not from the right or from the left, but x just goes to 2. Since I have the limit from the left and the limit from the right, basically this should be easy. If these were the same, then I would just put the same number here. But these aren't the same, so I will write DNE, does not exist. The limit as x goes to 2 doesn't exist because this and this did not agree. D just wants me to find g of 2. That just means I go to exactly 2 on the x-axis and I look for the dot. The dot is right here. That's a y-coordinate of 1. Okay. Other side. Now we have this graph with all of these vertical asymptotes. We are focused on x equals 6. All of these are x is going to 6 from the left, from the right, and then just going to 6 from neither direction in particular. So here's x equals 6 on the x-axis. And again, as I approach 6 from the left, I'm going to go a little bit to the left of 6. I'm going to look at where the graph is. And then I'm going to move back towards 6, meaning I'm going to move to the right. And I find myself going down and down and down to this vertical asymptote. I would say this is negative infinity. Now as I go to 6 from the right, I'll put my pen here. I'll move a little bit to the right. I'll go up to where the graph is. And now I'll move back towards x equals 6, meaning I'm going to move back towards the left, and I find myself going up and up and up. I would say this is positive infinity. And now the third one is just the limit as x goes to 6, and I'm going to do this the same way. Since I already did 6 from the left and 6 from the right, the logic is if these were the same, then I would just write the same thing here. But these aren't the same, so I'm going to write DNE. Okay, so sorry for taking so long with that again, but that's quiz 2. It's really, I don't want to make people feel bad if they missed something, but it's really easy if you know what to do. But that's the thing, if you just have to know what to do. All of these, you're reading the answer right off of the picture. You just have to know how to look at the picture in order to get it. So that's the important part.